Alright guys, we are back out here in the garage, and I just wrapped up a couple of projects that I had been kind of procrastinating on. First off, my, I guess you'd call them my cross-eye lights. I've got those wired in, and what I did was I just, if you can see it there, I just wired these together and then did up my own loom and then just passed it through along this existing harness that I had for the other lights up here, up through here, and came up. And then what I did was my rock lights, which are underneath the wheel wells, it only has just those LEDs on them, which they're really small LEDs, not a lot of current draw. So I went ahead and just wired those in with that, which is this connection right here. So basically just came right up, did a little bit of a loop around, and got that wired in. So that's now done. Got that all set. In fact, I'll turn on my rock lights, and you can see up there the lights are shining, as are my wheel well rock lights. So those are done. All right, so I also too got the rear lights, which were also part of that same set. Got those wired in, and just a simple hole right here, right underneath the existing lights. Got those run underneath and then wired into the same as these, because again, the rear lights switch that I have only had these two lights already. So I got those wired in. I'll show you that real quick. And turn on rear lights. So now I've got, again, kind of cross-eye lights in the back like that. Looks good. Turn that off. And then the last thing I did was I got my headliner reinstalled, and I did get, basically what I did was, instead of cutting a slit from here forward, I just cut kind of a T right here. I'm not, again, this machine is not here to try to win beauty contests, so it's functional. So I just cut a hole here so I could just basically slip this over it and have the mirror there. By the way, the mirror yesterday at the 5313 park actually does well. You can see out the back because of the position of it, because it's not more forward. It's not the best. It's also not as big as a lot of off-road mirrors would be, about twice the height. But you know what? It didn't cost me a dime to do it, just some time, and I'm really pleased with it and how it turned out, since I just had it laying around. In the end, I can always put something else on later on that I decide to buy. So that's where we are. I'm done with projects for right now on the General, but as I mentioned in an earlier video, my front axle down here, you can see, should not be doing that. That's broken. I'm gonna have to get a replacement for that, and I'll probably go ahead and do the passenger side as well. So that's gonna be coming up. So we'll definitely have more videos coming, but that's where we stand for right now. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for watching the channel. Please like the videos. Please subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, and please comment as well. I always enjoy getting comments about the machine and talking about my opinion on things. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks again.